Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini vehicle here. So now let's check with me. Now I start from this one first. Super motorbike, shoot color, pink color. A racing super motorbike with number 46. A cement mixer track. Nice. Mobil Truk track. Mobil Truk, Indonesian language. Hero Captain America. Hero Captain America. You know his name? How about this one? Police supercar. Very nice. How about this one, everybody? Mini excavator. Mini excavator. Okay. The next one. Mini airplane. Another one. Hero Batman. A little Batman. Little hero Batman. How about this one, everybody? 4 wheels motorbike. 4 wheels motorbike. Hero Iron Man. A little hero Iron Man. A little hero Iron Man. Everyone, now check another track. This truck can transport another car, another smaller, another little car, little truck to anywhere. Okay? Now check the next one. A truck. Or Mobil Truk. Indonesian language. Mobil Truk Mobil. Nice, very nice Mobil Truk. Now check the next one. Red police car. Red police car. Nice color. About this one. Mini police car. Mini police car. A short police car. Okay. The next. Mini excavator. Mini excavator. Very nice excavator. Now check the next one. How about this one? Bulldozer. Everybody, this is a bulldozer. A mini bulldozer. Super motorbike. Super motorbike. Green color. My favorite super motorbike. Green color. Yellow car. Everybody, this is a yellow car. Now check another one. Excavator. Mini excavator. A nice excavator. A cement mixer truck. Everybody, mini cement mixer truck. A very nice cement mixer truck. A ladder truck. Okay. Let's move to another bigger truck here. The first one is a supercar, yellow color with number 58. The next one. This truck, we use this truck to press the land. Okay. How about this one? Airdrome bus. Airdrome bus, white color. Airdrome bus, white color. Mobil Truk. Mobil Truk, another model. Minibus, super low floor. Mobil Truk, How about this one? Super motorbike, a nice super motorbike with number. Play super motorbike, everybody. Play super motorbike with number 911. About this one, we can see a word hospital. Ambulance. This is an ambulance. This is an ambulance. Hero Captain America. A last one, red racing car with number 3. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. If you like my video, please write down, like, and especially click the subscribe button. So now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Be happy every time, everywhere. Goodbye. See you next time.